Hello everyone, today let me introduce our new model WE35 excavator. The overall weight of this machine is around 3.8 tons. So you can also call it a 4-ton machine. The bracket capacity is 0.12 cubic meter. And this one is with the optional hydraulic thumb. You can also choose other attachments such as auger, hammer, or ripper, and this the quick hitch also optional. This one is with the steel track, but you can also choose the rubber track if you want. And the engine is Excavator engine, Excavator D1703, 18.5 kilowatts. This engine complies with both Euro 5, Euro Stage 5 and the EPA Tier 4 standards. Okay, in one 40 high-cube container, we can load 4 pieces of this excavator. And now let's go inside the cabin. Okay, it's very comfortable. Let's start the power on now. So the air conditioning is on. You can feel the cooling air. You can change the temperature and the speed here. And this is the display for the, you can see the water temperature, the diesel volume and the voltage. And here's the radio and USB. And here's the buttons here. Controlling the fan and change the high and low speed here. Lights and the window pressure, and also the engine starting is using this button. You can press button starting the engine. Okay, the right joystick, the left joystick, you know how to operate. And controlling the boom. Up. To the left side and the right side is the bucket, and the left joystick to control the small digging arm, and the rotation, and these 2 levers are forward and backwards. And if you don't want to use your hands, you can use your foot. The same function, okay? And there are 2 pedals here. This one controlling the hydraulic thumb. Okay, there's a lid. You can close it, open. The right side, the pedal is controlling the swing boom to the left and to the right. Okay, thank you.